dialogue from Mohanlal movie, Narsimhan. Meepo Mane Vijaya. Meepo Mane Vijaya. What is your problem? I have told Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, your time is over. Your expiry date is over. Go and take rest. Kerala youngsters, youth are ready to run the Kerala government and Kerala state. Telangana is ready to support Kerala brothers and sisters. And also, he is jealous about me. He tried to get Messi. He could not succeed. I have get Messi to Telangana. From that date, he is jealous about me. I am promising Kerala football lovers, next 1 year, Messi or Ronaldo, I am going to get Kerala. Kerala youths are going to play with Messi or Ronaldo football in Kerala. This is what my 6th guarantee. I am going to come to Kerala. I am going to get one of them to Kerala to play football in Kerala. Finally, I wanted to give one slogan. You people have to chorus with me. Ready? 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 Bye bye Pinarayi. You have to chorus bye bye. Bye bye Pinarayi. 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 Bye Pinarayi. Louder. He has to listen. This voice should reach Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay? Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. This is dedicated to Narendra Modi. Ready? His godfather has to listen this sound. Okay? This sound should be resounded in Delhi. Okay? Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. Bye Pinarayi. Bye bye Pinarayi. धन्यवाद मित्रों.